Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to align the keto and intermittent fasting pattern around your lifestyle. Now, I've gotten some feedback from certain people who do this and they have a hard time transitioning, keto adapting, because at work they're tired, and when they need the most mental energy, they're a little sluggish, and they had a problem with that. So here's one thing you could do very easily to solve that problem and have a little more energy, especially in the beginning of doing this, in the early part of the day. Okay? Here's what you do. Basically, keep in the breakfast, keep in the lunch, and omit the dinner. Okay? So what you could do to make the transition to start out is go ahead and start with a breakfast, okay? And then just don't eat until you're hungry. So that could maybe be like, I don't know, 3 o'clock, something like that. Now, if you were to eat at 8 o'clock in the morning and then at 12 o'clock noon, that would give you 20 hours of fasting. So if we compare doing it this way versus consuming maybe a lunch and a dinner with a 4-hour window, let's take a look at just the difference there. Number one, your stomach is mostly acid in the morning, which means it's ready to digest the protein. So let's say you did a lot of your protein and your fats in the morning versus in the evening, okay? That may be better for your digestion. The other benefit is that this would prevent you going to sleep with your stomach feeling a bit bloated. Because some people, when they have dinner, they feel really full, and so by the time they're going to bed, they feel kind of stuffed, and your digestion, if it's not right, will definitely keep you from sleeping. So doing it this pattern will allow your stomach and your digestion to be low stress, so you go into a nice sleep cycle without your body having to work too hard on the digestion. So this is just another option to see if this may align with your work schedule a little bit better, especially if you need maybe more mental energy in the first part of the day right here. And if you have digestive stress, you might want to try this pattern right here. All right? Thanks for watching. Hey, I appreciate your attention, and if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will definitely keep you updated on future events, live events, and webinars that we're going to do very soon.